Well, now I am going to discuss about the number methods. As using the number methods, we can manipulate any of the number data. For example, I will go with the toString method, in which we can able to convert any of the number into the string. For example, here I am using a variable n equal to 2. I am using variable n equal to 2, and I just say console. First of all, I use another variable k equal to, well, wait, I'm using n, and I mention toString, and I'm mentioning here toString, and I'm using the console.log, and I just say type of, and I mention n. When I use a type of n, it is going to give me the string. As you can have a look at here, it is going to give me string. When I just remove this string and I save, I just copy it, I just save it, and I just say a file, it is going to give me the number. Why it is giving me number? Because it is a number. And why it is giving me string? Because we have used a toString method, and this is how we go with this toString method. And you can also convert this string into a number. For example, here I am using variable k equal to, I am using pass int. When I use pass int and I use n, and I just say type of k, actually when I say type of k, it has to give me the int. It is not going to give me a string, because we use a parse int, which is going to convert a string into an integer. For example, I just say fi, it is going to give me number, as you can have a look at here. And this is how we go with the toString and parse int method. And this type of method is going to check the what type of data is present at there. When I use, instead of this, when I use an array and I just say fi, it is going to give us, wait a minute, and I just say type of the n, and I save, and I just reload the site. Well, it is going to give us the object, because array is an object. And this is how we go with the type of, to find the data types. Next we have, well, now I am going to discuss about toFixed method in the numbers. Why this is used? Well, we have used a lot of decimal numbers in our mathematical equations. Whenever we want to convert them into any integer, we just take look at that number which we want to convert. If we have 9.5, then the integer part will be 10. If it is 9.4, the integer part will be 9. This is what we call as round off. And these toFixed and round off are almost same, and this is why we use them. First of all, to use that, you have to have a variable. I'm using variable x equal to 9.5. then I'm using console.log for the purpose of output, and here I'm using x dot toFixed. When I use toFixed and I just save it and I just run it, it is going to give me the integer part of it. Means integer part means it is round offing it, we are going to get the 10. When I just use 9.4 here, when I just use 9.4 and save it and run it, we are going to get the 9. And if it is if it is 9.4.6, then also you are going to get 9 here, because we have mentioned nothing here. Nothing means it is 0. And here I am using 1, and I just save it and I just reload the site, then it is going to give us the 9.5. means this onwards it is going to be considered as 1, this is 2, and this is 3, and so on. And it is checking with respect to the first position, means it is checking with respect to this position, then it is going to consider this one. Because it is 6, which is greater than 5, it is going to give us 9.5. and this is how we go with toFixed method. And these are all the methods of numbers. Well, do subscribe our channel for regular updates. Thank you.